आप अच्छा राइटिंग लिखते हो और मेरे लिए एक अच्छा सा सॉन्ग गा के भेजना और पार्टी एंजॉय करना।
Hi, Saurya. Happy birthday to you. All the best.
Hi James, how are you? Many happy returns of the day, beta. God bless you and enjoy a lots. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Shaurya. Many happy returns of the day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaurya. Happy birthday to you.
Well, we have made many memories together, but here is this one video I will be sharing, which you can take it as a tutorial on how to eat ice cream, because that is what we used to do when we were kids. No, when I was a kid. You are still a kid. The highlight of my childhood has been waiting the whole year for summer vacations to come so that you guys can come to Jodhpur and we could spend time together and we could play games, have fights and arguments. And I remember you both used to love my Maggie so much that you used to crave so much for me to make the Maggie. And obviously scolding you guys is also fun because that's what big sisters do, right? Dear brother, you should be thankful to God that he has given you two sweet sisters like me and Mishi, who takes care of you so much. Right, Mishi? And enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday to us. So it's our day today, and on this day I'm really thankful and grateful to God for giving me such a cute little birthday twin brother with whom I can celebrate each year. And I wish you a lot of happiness, success, and a lot of adventure trips, chocolates, cakes, and whatever you wish you get. Hello Shaurya, many happy returns of the day. Today, two kids of mine are celebrating the birthday, and we all miss you, especially on this day. You are the cutest child of our house, very creative, very intelligent, and I'm big fan of your dance and especially song. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Shaurya. May God
Hi,
bless
Shaurya.
you.
Wish you very happy birthday. अब आज आप अपने बर्थडे के दिन एक अच्छा सा सॉन्ग सुनाना और गिटार बजाना, जो आप हमेशा बहुत अच्छे से करते हो और आपने बहुत टाइम से सुनाया नहीं है। और नानी कह रही थी कि आपको डांस भी दिखाना है, एक डांस का वीडियो बना के हमारे को भेजना आप, ठीक है? चलो एंजॉय, और बाहर मत निकलना, घर पे ही रहना। बाय।
मैं तोया भैया को बुलाऊंगा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे शौर्य। आज खूब सारी मस्ती करना, खूब मज़े करना, और मिशी शौर्य के फेस पे ऐसे किक ज़रूर ऐसे मारना। और अगर मैं किसी दिन सुबह उठता हूँ और मुझे पता पड़ता है कि मैं शौर्य बन गया हूँ, तो मैं उस दिन खूब सारी मस्ती नहीं करूँगा। मैं उस दिन चुपचाप रूम में बैठ के अपने स्कूल का सारा पढ़ाई ख़त्म करूँगा। मैं अच्छे बच्चे की तरह खूब सारी पढ़ाई करूँगा और किसी को परेशान नहीं करूँगा।
It's your birthday, yo. It's your birthday, yo. It's time for you to be happy. Time to you be happy. It's time for you to be happy. Time to be happy. It's your birthday, yo. It's your birthday, yo. Happy birthday, Shaurya.
I was the beatboxer and Gauri. Me too.
And I was a singer. Happy birthday, Shaurya.
Just by the way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shaurya. I wish we could meet in person, but because of COVID, we can't. I remember that when I first saw you, I thought that you would be a quiet person. But when I got to know you, I got it that you were really fun. I guess that one of our best moments were when we first played guitar.
You are 1 decade old now, so happy 10th birthday. Now, I'll be showing you some acts. That means I'll be acting like you. Yes, you heard me right. So let's begin. Act number 1. चलो मिस्टी के रूम में जाते हैं. Give up, madam. Mishi comes in. शौर्य बेड के नीचे से बाहर निकले. शौर्य, आपको कैसे पता चला? अरे, I knew it. Now get out. नहीं. Sleeps on the floor. Mishi, get out. Drags out of the room. Now, as you saw, Shaurya always keeps troubling me by coming in my room. Second, now I'll be showing you something very, very special. So, in this, I'll act as if I woke up as Shaurya today. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh, today I brought her my Mishi. She's the best and the kindest sister. Wow! I should give her a surprise. A surprise breakfast? No, she's not like that. Surprise cake. She loves that. But then I shall irritate Mama. So, this was the second thing that
Hi Shaurya baby, how are you? Baby, wish you a very very happy birthday to you. And you must know, the day you came to our life, you have made our family complete and gave us all the happiness. You have always been a sweet boy, and I am sure you will be my best buddy and best friend in times to come. You must remember that you got great dreams and you must always dream high, and I am sure you will achieve all your dreams in times to come. God bless you. Love you baby always. Once again, a very very happy birthday to you, and a surprise is awaiting for you in this month for you. Okay? Love you.
Shaurya, you're turning 10. 2 digits. Yay. I'm so happy and so excited. From the day you're born, you've got a lot of love and happiness in Mama's life, and in fact, everyone's life. And Queens of Disgusting. We did not even take the video. Read it. My day begins with getting a lot of kisses and cuddles from you. This is nothing good. I won't. Shit! Oh, you disgusting lady! You disgusting lady! She's not letting me do it! She's the one responsible! Oh my god, so many videos! None of it is coming good! You disgusting lady! That's how my day begins. Oh god. Okay. So my day begins with getting a lot of kisses and cuddles from you, and ends with both of you fighting together. That I'm paying more attention to one.
but I pay attention to both of you. There are a lot of memories which I cherish about you. As when you were 1 year old, then you would love playing with utensils, and all the toys were just simply a waste. You never used to play with toys, you would just simply play with utensils. And then when you grew up a little more older, you used to play with my dupattas. You would tie them, drape them up around yourself so nicely, and wear the best of my heels and walk around in the house so cutely. You were such a bundle of joy. You are highly efficient and great with gadgets, and I'm sure you'll achieve all your dreams in life and you'll go places. Love you lots. Have a very happy and an amazing birthday. Enjoy and have loads of fun. Love you. क्या बोलूं? On the day you were born. उधर से लो थोड़ा सा सामने से. My baby is turning 10 today. No. I can't start again. Oh my god, I can't do it. Mumma is not able to speak because that whatever she's saying is not true.